Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron, and this is Cloudstep. Cloudstep activate the intrinsic muscles of your feet with micro movements. The same techniques used by elite athletes to strengthen their feet, but without you having to do a thing. With every step, the flex points guide your toes through a gentle curling motion. The cloud-like cushioning provides support while you work. Hi, I'm Dr. Aaron, and we are back after crushing it with millions of dollars in sales. I've spent the past decade helping patients overcome foot, posture, and mobility issues. Cloudstep is our breakthrough, improving balance, posture, and providing natural pain relief. This gentle motion strengthens your feet while you walk around without doing anything extra, aligning your body's kinetic chain from toe to head. And from our user testing, we found so many people praising that the toe flex area doubles as a stress relief tool. Instead of fidgeting with your hands during meetings, you can discreetly exercise your feet and release tension while strengthening muscles. Everything starts with your feet. When they're stronger, your whole body is stronger. It's active therapy built into every step.